Our world runs on a complex web of industrial assets. Every second, they generate mountains of data. But this data is a tangled mess, siloed, unstructured, and overwhelming. This chaos leads to unexpected failures, crippling downtime, and decisions based on guesswork instead of foresight. It's time to turn that chaos into clarity. Introducing NeuralTwin, the industrial digital twin agent. NeuralTwin is an intelligent digital twin agent that transforms industrial data into foresight. It ingests files with measurements, asset metadata, and failure records, supports various formats, and organizes them into queryable tables inside BigQuery. From there, the agent trains a classification model to learn the patterns that precede failures, while BigQuery's forecasting projects how sensor values will evolve in the future. By applying the classification model directly on those forecasted values, the system predicts which assets are at risk and delivers the insights as concise, actionable reports. NeuralTwin, your data's hidden future revealed.